So here we have the Elite Gourmet MST 250XS. This is an electric slow cooker by using a ceramic pot. So you got fully adjustable temps. You can use for entree, sauces, stew. You could slow cook soups. It's 1.5 quarts and stainless steel. You have dishwasher safe glass, lid, and crock. So the range of heat goes from low, high, and a keep warm setting. Gives you ultimate control of how you cook your meals. Cleanup is super easy, dishwasher safe of course. The stainless steel exterior heating base can be wiped clean with a damp cloth to maintain its condition. And it's also rust proof. So take your cooking to the next level with the Elite Gourmet Slow Cooker Ceramic Pot.